Hello YouTube, this is Jose from Team 4 Tutorials. He's bringing you this quick tutorial unboxing this iPod Touch
that he got for
4G.
Christmas.
Yeah, that I got for Christmas. So yeah, that's my stupid cousin right there.
Don't put me on YouTube, I hate you. You know that I hate pictures.
And then yeah, so let's get started. So we're gonna open it, and then we got the iPod itself, and then you got all the cables in there, and then yeah, so let's open it. Hold this, Elise.
Oh, sure, now you need me.
I see. So let's take this off.
Okay, I'm so excited.
And then take this off.
You call me stupid.
Sorry. And then here you go. Here you got the iPod right there.
Woo!
It's shiny. It's the 4G with the camera in the back and front right here. So yeah, that's about it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. So please check our website, team4tutorials.tk. So thanks. I will see you guys next time. Peace.